You're coming down this way. Turn around. That's a boy. Turn around. Back it down. Whoa! You see that trick? Go. You going again? No? Whoa.
Just let me get your shoes on, please. Curtis, Jacob, it's time to go. Everyone else is getting their shoes on.
I want to do that pencil again.
Jared has already got his shoes on. He can't do it.
Can we do the pencil one more time?
No, he's got his shoes on already. He's listening. You need to come on. You need to leave, guys.
Oh, go with this. Got this. You got this.
Okay, Curtis. Jared.
You need to stand up, RJ. The big kids.
No. You need to put your shoes on now. Stop horseplay.
I'm struggling
That's
with
not
my
what you're
big
supposed to
brother.
do.
You were.
Yes,
Whoa!
Yes, you did.
Come
You're
down.
silly.
Whoa.